Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word and choosing either a clean resume template or a blank document. This gets you working immediately. Once done, set page size to A4 letter and adjust margins to 0. 7 1-inch so content fits. Now paste your contact info, job title, and a short profile at the top. Make sure to have 3 5-bullet achievements ready per role. This preparation speeds layout choices and prevents rewriting later, so you can focus on structure, not ornaments. Now structure the resume by adding clear sections: contact, summary, experience, education, and skills. You should use word styles for heading 1 and heading 2 so formatting stays consistent and updates globally. For each job, bold the company or role and place dates in italics. Use a 0. 5 cm hanging indent for bullet alignment. Once styled, replace placeholder text with concise achievements using action verbs. This helps applicant tracking systems and human readers. You finish by proofreading carefully. Check verbs, quantify achievements, and ensure no typos remain. When satisfied, export to PDF and embed font so layout stays identical for recruiters. Make sure the PDF displays correctly on mobile. If something goes wrong, text shifts, or bullets disappear, reset styles to normal and heading defaults or increase margins by 0. 2-inch to prevent wrapping. Finally, save a versioned file name like Resume Company Year so you can return to edits without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.